Penuel is failing his daily duties.
There is a guy here called Penuel. How do you finance a person who refuses to pay maintenance? Maintenance. Ntwa e tsebang ke uno tsamaya na a tsamaya. Mara ha patele maintenance.
I believe ukuthi this was not necessary from the CIC. Penuel did come on social platforms and he did explain his situation. Now, if you do not know who Penuel is, you can search for Penuel the Black Pen and then you can just go through his profile. Now, the reason why OCIC is saying that, how do you finance a guy that is not paying child support? It's not true to some extent. Now, Penuel, according to his story, he has 4 baby mamas. And out of the 4, he has one baby mama drama that has been going on for over 11 years. Now, Penuel once said, Uguti, this specific baby mama was also in a relationship and got married to someone else. And that person also had a child with that baby mama. And upon their divorce, the husband, who is now ex-husband of that baby mama, approached to Penuel and said to Penuel, my guy, this lady is saying, Guti, you are not supporting your child and have been supporting your child. And Penuel said, Guti, it's not true. He has proof. I've been sending money. I've been doing this. I've been going to courts to get an opportunity to at least see my child. And then this specific husband, or this certain husband, also said to Penuel, Yazi, since I divorced this person, I'm also blocked from seeing the child. Now, it's not a matter of Black Pen supporting or not being able to support the kids. Because if Penuel was not supporting his kids, then all 4 baby mamas would have an issue with it. And he would not even come on social platforms and only address one baby mama and say, we've been to a certain court. We've been to certain family courts. When he counts the courts that he has attended, he counts over 8, if not 10. At one stage, he said that he even went to a court in Newcastle where the baby mama did not appear on 4 court dates. 4 court dates. And I remember at one stage, Penuel went online and he said that he has personally made a decision that he will stop sending money to the child. And the reason why I believe he said that, it's because of the ex-husband made him aware that even though you do send money, but to other people, you are not supporting and you are not doing anything for the child. Meaning you sending the money is not enough because of they still say that you do not support. So he took a decision and laid out his entire story with this baby mama. And then he said that he has stopped sending money because he's not given an opportunity to see the child. Now, out of 4 baby mamas, Penuel has over 5 kids, I believe. Let's say he has 7 kids. Penuel is supporting 6 kids. He's supporting 6 kids. Those who follow Penuel know of Ungonzi. Those who follow Penuel. And those who follow Penuel will see how much of a dad he is when he is with Ungonzi and the little girl. Those who know Penuel. But the CIC chose not to speak of the 6 and decided to speak of the 1. He ignored the fact that Penuel is supporting 6 kids. He ignored the story behind why Penuel has stopped supporting the 1 child. He ignored all those videos that Penuel made when he speaks about him and the relationship with that specific baby mama. He ignored all the court procedures that Penuel went to just to see the child. And he decided to get on a public platform as a CIC and say that Penuel is not supporting. Penuel is not maintaining. Penuel is failing his daily duties. the CIC, he decided to take that route. Discrediting Penwell, discrediting Penwell's views, he decided to speak about a personal matter. He says that some kids grow up to be thugs just because of their fathers are not there. Now, the CIC does not know who his father is. And if he says that some kids grow up to be thugs just because of their fathers are not there, then he should be an example. He should be an example and say, I'm a corrupt individual because of I do not know my father. But he has grown up to be the man that he is, whether or not the father was there. And he is discrediting Penwell. Instead of him speaking about Bo Khan and Andre Johnson and all his shenanigans, he decides to speak about Penwell. The whole CIC of EFF